friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our 12th question. What is that? A spiral is made up of semicircles. So spiral is made up of one semicircle which will have center at A and B with alternative centers. Let's going to take first semicircle, that is L1. L1 length of the semicircle is L1. So first semicircle will have center at A. Second semicircle, that is, will have center at B. Then third semicircle will have center at A. Again, alternatively, it will going to divide. So then, what is the case here is, so what is the radius for this? So for the first semicircle, 0.5 is 0.5 centimeter. For the second semicircles, 1. For third, 1.5. For fourth, 2. Again, for fifth, it will be 2.5. So this is the series will going to increase, 0.5, 0.5 is will going to increase. Then what is the case? So this is the radius will going to increase. So we have to find what is the total length of the spiral wind. So what is the total length? That one we have to find it. So before going to that, what is the circumference of the circle and what is the length of semicircle? So we should know the formulas before going to start our question. So this is the case. So first let's going to write. So we have to find, so centers of the circles A and B, centers of semicircles A and B alternatively. So that is the case. So length of semicircle L1. So length of first semicircle that is L1, and length of second semicircle will be L2, and so on up to total number of semicircles. So total number of semicircles. So total number of semicircles N will be equal to 30. So this is the total number of semicircles. We have to find what is the total length of 13 semicircles. Total length. Total length of spiral. Total length of spiral. We have to find total length of the spiral. Let's going to take capital L. Total length of the semicircle spiral is capital L. So what is the circumference of the complete circle? So let's going to draw one circle. So this is the diameter, that is equal to 2r diameter, and pi. It will going to take 2 pi r. So circumference of the semicircle will be 2 pi r. Then this is the total length. So circumference means total length of the circle, that is 2 pi r. Then what is the length of semicircle? So what is the length of semicircle? So that is c by 2. Semicircle means half. So c by 2, 2 pi r by 2, 2 will going to cancel, pi r. So length of semicircle, length of semicircle, that is pi r. Don't get confused here. Total length is 2 pi r. In that of, if you take 2 pi r by 2, we will get it as pi r. That is the simple one. So pi r. So first length. So what is the pi? Pi will be equal to 22 by 7. So what is the first circle radius? That is radius series. So radii series will be 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and so on up to 13 radii. So this is the series. Then what is the length series? So what is the length for the first semicircle? So lengths of semicircles, that is pi r1, pi r2, pi r3, pi r4 up to and so on pi r13. So these are the lengths. So pi means what is that? 22 by 7. So lengths, right? 22 by 7, 0.5, comma 22 by 7, 1, 22 by 7 into 1.5, 22 by 7 into 2 up to and so on. We will get as or 13. So this is the series. So this is there in AP or not, we have to check it. So let's going to write what is the first term here. The first term is, let's going to take first term, a will be equal to 22 by 7 into, so 22 by 7 into 0.5. So this is the first term. Then what is the second term? So this is 22 by 7 into 1. So what is the common difference? Let's going to find common difference will be equal to, so a2 minus a1. So what are the lengths? That is L2 minus L1. You can take L2 minus L1, whatever it is, L2 minus L1, that is 22 by 7 into 1 minus 22 by 7 into 0.5. So can you write like that or not? Yes, we can write it. So 22 by 7 into 1 minus 0.5, what value we will get? 22 by 7 into 0.5. So this is the common difference. 22 by 7 into 0.5 is the common difference. So now we can find what is the total length of spiral. So sum of n terms, sum of the lengths. So total length of spiral. So what is that? Total length capital L will be equal to, that is S13, Sn. So sum of S10, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula for total length or sum of n terms, or you can add total length of the semicircles. So n will be equal to S13. So 13 by 2 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.5 plus n minus 13 minus 1 into, so common difference is 22 by 7 into 0.5. So 0.5 you can write 13 by 2 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.5, 1 by 2. Can you write it is or not? 1 by 2 you can write as it is. So 12 into 22 by 7 into 1 by 2. Can you write like this or not? 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. So for our easy calculations, we are writing like that. So 2 will going to cancel. Here 2 will going to cancel. Then here 13 by 2 into what you can write? 22 by 7 plus 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 plus 22 by, sorry, here 2 6 is there, 6. Sorry, 2 6 are 12. So here 6 is there. So 22 by 7 you can take common here. So 13 by 2 into 22 by 7 common 1 plus 6. Can you write like this or not? Yes, we can write it. So 13 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. So 7 will going to cancel. Again here 2 1s are 2 11s are. So 13 into 11. So 13 into 11. So what value we are getting? So 33, 11 1s are 11. 11 plus 3 will be 14. 143 centimeter. Therefore total length. So what you can write? Total length of spiral, total length of the spiral, capital L will be equal to 143 centimeters. So this is the way to find the whatever the sum they are given, what is the question, whatever it is, we can find easy solutions on our YouTube channel. If you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.